dark out here. 1995 Chevy k3500 6.5 liter turbo diesel. I've been working on this truck. I've owned it for close to 10 years. Bought it in 2018. Every light works. Replaced the headliner. Ran across several different problems. Just like anything, you own any kind of a vehicle, you're going to run into different things. But I've tore this whole engine all apart. Top half had cylinder head gaskets go out of it. Had alternator go out this year. Batteries I replaced 5 years ago. And I also replaced the starter 5 years ago. And these starters do have a bracket that go on them with a stud there. And I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if I can find a good picture of how that starter bracket went on there. But anyway, it's vanished, it's gone.